Hey everyone, Chris at Laminex. You may recall us repeatedly saying that our products are 100% made in the USA. While less common than it was last century, some manufacturing in America is still alive and well. We take pride in doing our part in keeping it alive here in our little corner of the manufacturing world, making the highest quality grade of protective film products every day in our plant located here in Blairsville, Georgia, a small yet beautiful town nestled in the southern tip of the Appalachian Mountains, making a difference in our small community by creating stable jobs and giving back in various ways that make a positive impact. We also love sharing our passion and success story with others. Every year, we give a plant tour to a group of local business leaders that take part in our local Chamber of Commerce Leadership Development Program. During our tours, we love to show others about what we do, where we come from, and why we love what we do, and how we positively impact our small community. We would like to take a moment to say thank you for our local Chamber of Commerce and helping develop great leaders for our community. Even more so, a big thank you to all of you for helping keep Made in USA alive by supporting small manufacturers like us. We couldn't do it without your commitment and shared values. We look forward to continually protecting your valuables with our protective film products for many more years to come. Thank you again, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Take care.